the age of data security and personal data protection, if you are looking for a device which protects your data and your personal information, then this is the device which you have to look for. That is Apple iPhone Pro Max, which has got iOS 13 onwards, and that protects your data, and from the manufacturer you are safe to keep your personal data in this device. So compared to other devices, so Android, this is based on the Linux kernel, and you know that there are many loopholes where you can get your data breached. So when you want to have a secure device, if you want to spend amount of money, say ample amount of money on a device, and you are looking for a device which you feel that this is the safest device in the world, then you can go for iOS devices from Apple. And I believe, and it's my personal belief, that nobody can open the data from this device. So that's a brief introduction on this operating system, what the iPhone is having. And I believe to store my data into this device permanently. So that is my belief on this manufacturer and the device which I am having in front of me. So let us unbox this device and look what are the specifications and what is the main advantages, features this device has got for us. Hey guys, this is Yogesh from Automotives Technica, and now I'm going to unbox the iPhone 11 Pro Max. So this variant is 256 GB, purchased from Imagine. So always premium devices I prefer to buy from the premium reseller, and this is midnight green color. Some of the paperwork with SIM ejector pin and Apple stickers. So from iPhone 11 Pro onwards, you get us 18-watt fast charger along with wired earphones, and the beauty of this is there is a lightning connector, and other end goes to the USB type C. That means you have the charger compatible with the USB type C, and only iPhone Max Pro gets the 18-watt charger, which is the fast charger. So coming back to the peculiarities of this device is the camera, and the latest and the new version, which is midnight green and is liked by all of the Apple users. And let me produce you some important features. The back is glass, the front is AMOLED display, and it has got a stereo speakers. They call it as Dolby Atmos codec systems. And the most important part in this iPhone 11 Max Pro is the camera section. This is a far marvel of engineering camera. It's a triple camera, and they are placed in a delta structure. Let me explain why. So if you compare the inline camera module here, there are 4 camera modules here. That is the main camera and other 3 subordinating camera. So when you try to zoom over or just change the modes from one to the other in this iPhone, it is smooth, and in this you see that a distance between first, second and third, it varies. So in this, the distance between the 2 cameras is same. So from here to here, or here to here, or here to here. So the aesthetic design helps to move the camera imaging and getting the pictures for the focal points in a proper way. So that's the major introduction of this iPhone Pro Max. So I will be going in-depth review in future videos and going into the specs, going into the audio quality, the signal quality, and the images which I take it outside and indoor. So coming to the size, so I don't go by the size of statistically. So if you compare this Realme XT, almost when you carry it, it is easy to carry in one hand, so it is reachable so wherever you are. So and the difference between the previous phones is aesthetically the buttons are little bit lower compared to the iPhone XS or the previous generations. So if you see the packaging, this is the latest color, that is midnight green, and there are several other colors which you can go on the website and just have a look. That's the quick unboxing, friends, and I will be going to have more videos on the features, the behavior of this phone, the performance, and imaging. So most important feature for me is imaging because of this triple camera. It looks a bit slightly heavier than iPhone 7 Plus, which I was using earlier. But okay, well, when there is a glass at the back, front glass, and a steel body, you need a protection case. I prefer to go for a mill grade rally case, which has got a bumper protection from the corners, as well as this is been drop tested by the manufacturer. So if you see this, this is bit bulky but protects your phone from drops, and I believe to use a better case always so that your phone remains safe. So that's the quick unboxing, friends. Let us see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much. Stay blessed. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and push the thumbs up button. This will motivate me to create more videos and inspire me to go in depth of the reviews and get a better content for you. Thank you so much. Stay blessed.